have the girdle here. I'm just messing about between the loft door. They're not even waiting for the water coming through, look. As soon as I've seen a wee bit. As you knew, I had the bathroom for a week there because I'd gave them all the Johnson's Mite and Lice powder because they were due their 6 months treatment. I like to treat my birds every 6 months. I did buy the Harkers 4-in-1, but I've not gave them it yet, obviously, because I've still got young there and there's a couple of eggs there. So once they're off them, they'll get that treatment. That's no due to June anyway, but they were due the powder. So there. Come on, Diesel, out the way, hurry up. They're not even waiting for the water to come through. I'll go down and turn it up. I'll probably scare them when I reach for this brush. Hey, young, that was it. That's me. Oh, that's it for him, son. Catch it. Alright, I'm only putting the brush back. I'm just sitting here with Jenny's vegan, just giving it a wee top up because I don't feel she's getting it enough. Every time I come in, his wee crops no full. This wee one here. This wee one here. I'm just topping up his wee crop while she's out, and then I put him back in just to help her because he's not as full as I'd like him, and I wouldn't like to lose him now knowing he's this far on. Him or her, I've not even checked yet. I don't want to tempt fate. I've lost too much. Being a beginner is hard, you go through everything. But I'm doing my best, I'm trying. I think they're all nearly finished. That's only one of Jenny's young. There you go, Reed. It's taking it anyway. There you go, pal. That's Autumn. That was definitely a good investment. So it was, I think that's in done right now. So I get it switched off and I drain it out. There we go, wee one. We'll just stop that one out. I'll just go down and switch it off. Back to my ugly mush now, folks. Sorry, pal, if I put these in here for now, because all I'm going to be doing, hopefully it can sit, putting this wee young in here, getting some young mix. Not even need as much as that. Come on, Megan. Because you're at this stage, I can do this. That's it. Get it done, pal. Get it done, and then we'll get you on the drinker. And I'll just help this vegan, folks. Because Jenny's struggling. The next time she lays a set of eggs, I'm just going to have to either see if I can foster them under anybody else. That was maybe a wee bit big, sorry darling. If I can't do that, I'm just going to have to take them away because she can't do it herself. Yes, she can. Let me check. Oh, there you can do. Come away for that wee bit. Yeah. There you can do, lovely. I'll need to go and get my wee dropper. And remember and put it right down and get the wee sieve some water. I've got some peas in there steeping. They shouldn't take long. Yeah, they shouldn't. Maybe 10 minutes and then I'll just feed the wee sieve some peas. We will so, because you're just needing a wee helping hand. And you? You are so. That's it, folks. Catch you later.